Alright guys, time to break open this other pocket here. Right there. Venture into there. Oh, you guys got a sneak preview of some stuff. Fancy. Alright, put on my headlamp so the light will follow me wherever I go and you guys can see. Maybe. Alright, you guys see in there? Keep my Pelican. Still running great, by the way. See if I can twist it all in one hand. Oh shoot, I got a tripod here. Bam. 8 lumens, but it'll get you by. I'll keep that in there. Also in there is, on this little retention keychain thing, a whole bunch of stuff. If I can get the son of a bitch off. Excuse my language. Gerber artifact. Turn off this headlamp so it's not too bright. I'll turn it down a notch. How about that? That's better. Okay. Gerber artifact. Oh, it's still a little bright. I'll turn it down. Again. There we go. Gerber artifact again. This little light. Very bright. Can't have enough lights, you know what I'm saying? You never know. These little things here act as screwdrivers. Thought that was kind of cool. P38 can opener. And don't forget GI Sharpening Stone. Purchased at UrbanSurvivalOutfitters.com. Cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. Never before seen a, sharpening stone on a keychain. Stanley Power Lock 3-foot tape measure. Always comes in handy. My US issue. Take off this stinking headlamp. My US issue. Throw that in it. My US issue. Knife here. It's got the, you've seen it, haven't you? No, you haven't. It's got the can opener. Bottle opener and screwdriver. The main blade. And the awl. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love this. Let's see what else. Oh, looks like all except for these fingernail clippers. Good idea. See, I don't use them. But, I would. I just, I don't really like to clip my fingernails very often. I know it's kind of nasty. But I just don't have time to do stuff like that. And they break off anyway, so. Let's see what else I got in there. Oh, shoot, let's break out the headlamp again. Alright, inside there, we got 2 memo notepads, 3x5. Pencils. Random wrench. I just recently got a futon. Put it together, and this came with a little kit, so figured, hey, this is slim, free. Not really free, because I did buy the futon, but it's a tool. You never know what you can use this for. What else is in here? A National Guard pencil that I got for free from recruiters. trioxane bar. I'll grab a hold of it. Yep, trioxane bar. Let's see. Kimlite glow stick, 3 hour infrared. Not infrared, but infra-red hyphen dash red. You know. Hair ties, you know, because I got long hair. Because I'm a freak. Fabio Crow knows all about that, I would say. I'm sure he doesn't carry 30 of them with him everywhere he goes, but I'm rough on him, so yeah. Pepper spray, mace spraying. And Smith's knife sharpener. That looks like it's all. Wait, nope, I lied. Duct tape. There's some electrical tape on there. Not very much. A few inches. A flash drive. 2 lithium batteries. And it looks like it's it. So there's my new updated EDC. I'm gonna get hopefully some new stuff. Plan on getting my EDC really doubles. Well, multi-purpose EDC. It's like an EDC. It's like a bob bag. It's like a, you know, it's like a bob, you know, because bob bail out bag, you know, like Cutler ever mentioned one time, you know, like PIN number, personal identification number. Oh, my phone ringing. Sorry about that. My phone was ringing. I ignored a phone call for YouTube. But I'm gonna turn my phone on silent because I know they're gonna call again. But I plan on getting maybe a stove, small stove to put in my first aid, or not my first aid kit. My EDC. Plan on getting maybe a first aid kit, some stuff like that. So any suggestions, let me know. I'm always happy to add some stuff. I love adding stuff. So peace out. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Later.